Umhlabelelo wetenkolo nduduz wakamathe uthe idulo umuhle makathatha winile wakashabangu ngalolu siko lwesilumbi kanti ke laba bekunene bashadele lapha eSummerfield asachaza nduduz ubonge kanjena
bangibambisa kuze kufike lesikhathi lesi ukuthi ngikhule nami ngithathe umfati siyathanda kakhulu ukudumisa uNkulunkulu ngabo bonke la kwendile nawo bonke la kwentako impilo yethu nomkami sengibabe mathe vele maswati lamahle sekude ijikane khona ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu ngokungusisa nomfati lo ngithandza kona lo mhloniphako so siyabonga kakhulu maswati siyacela ukuthi nichubeke nesithandazele siyacela ukuthi nichubeke nisisupport nisiyale la ningasiyala khona nisekhutha khona otherwise for me tonight it is a double celebration because now tonight we are not just getting married, we are also recording a new live DVD that will have 15 new songs that the composer will Shasha. So together with my wife, we will be launching, we will be recording a new production. And the amazing thing is, entrance is absolutely free of charge. So we thought, we are COVID. Depressed, they've lost hope. We just want tonight to encourage people. We want to revive lives. We really want to inspire people. So tonight we are here. It is all about God. It is the Atmosphere of Glory Season 2. We are recording it tonight on our special day. Getting married. The recording starts now at 12. It starts now at 4, but I will be on stage at exactly 6:30. Yes, I'll be on stage at exactly 1 hour. That's where I'll be. Thank you so much. Thank you.
We are very excited. Atmosphere of Season 2. We are so excited. We are expecting more from God, and we are expecting a number of people to come and experience the Holy Spirit, or experience God Himself in their lives. We welcome you. We are so excited to meet you all.
Singabonga kakhulu, siyambongela kakhulu uMathe ukuthi ahamba afike kulesigaba lesi. Nekusho nje bekubonga ukuthi nduduza umuntu webantu abaningi njenyalo lana bachamuke indzaweni etehlukile. Sibonge kubo kakhulu ukuthi babe nalolu thuba lokugijima bede lapha kulo mcimbi wa nduduza. Sithatha kubabonga kakhulu kunenkosi yasevevenda kunalaba basuka ko-Eastern Cape basuka khashane bede la. Sithatha sibabonge kakhulu bonke ngeluthi lwabo lokufika nje babe khona.
Kanti kumfundisi waboshoti Msibi ushito ukuthi uyababongela ukuthi laba bekunene bagcina bathethene washo ukuthi nduduza umuntu webandvu ngakho ke kunetibani labaningi labafikile kutomsupport lababeya eNingizimu Afrika. Kanti ke inyalo nsamba makubhekekile ukuthi kuchubeke i-live recording lapho nduduza watabe yahlabela tingoma takhe letinshashaya intsabeni techele maswati Justice wakadlamini ngabanzini.